Or in places like Green Bay, Wisconsin, or Chicago, we're talking about the freezing rain and the sleet. So a lot different picture of what you're going to see out there. Take a look at the radar right now. We've got sleet, some freezing rain. Sleet has been accumulating, and some of the freezing rain we've seen some accretion there as well. So let's take a look at some of these observations. Milwaukee reporting moderate snow, but just nearby at another airport in that city, we're looking at heavy snow. So you can tell, look at the darker band there of blue. Some really heavy stuff moving through. There's the low itself spinning around. There's still some snow on the back side of this thing, but we're watching that front end where the heavier snow is moving through Lake Michigan right now. By the way, the lake's sitting in the 40s, so it is not frozen. It still plays a factor along the coastline, and it will later on, kind of keeping some of that ice accretion to a minimum right along the lake shore. Look at these wind gusts, though. 40 miles an hour in spots, 43 in Davenport, 24 miles an hour. That's sustained in Springfield, and Chicago wind gusts of 36 miles an hour. So when you get ice on some of these trees, then the wind snaps the branches. That's what really causes a lot of problems. You look for that with some of these ice storms, and that's what we're seeing out there right now. So as we go through today, we're going to continue to see that freezing rain and sleet on the front end of this thing. The focus, though, shifts later tonight across New England, where they'll see their first accumulating snowfall of the year, the season, I should say, in Boston, looking about 2 inches of snow there. Meanwhile, closer to the Great Lakes, we're going to be looking for that Green Bay to see 8 to 12 inches of swath moving westward as well. Alexandra?
All right, well, it's all part of the same system that this Goliath had really left a mess on the roads in Oklahoma. Ice and snow creating dangerous driving conditions. So what has it been like and what will it be like? The conditions in Oklahoma? Well, here's Reynolds Wolf.
Well, guys, it is all about the wind. It has been relentless. Yesterday, we certainly had some windy times, but now coupled with just the ice that we have, the trees that are swaying, it certainly does lead to a lot of problems. We've had widespread power outages across the region. Would not be surprised if those power outages actually increase. And then you think about the crews trying to get out and string up wire in these kind of winds. It's not going to happen until things subside. I'll tell you, though, in terms of the temperatures, I think it's going to remain cool for quite a while. Roads are certainly cool, certainly icy. You look at the video that we have. This compliments of local affiliate KFOR, the NBC powerhouse. Slick conditions on overpasses and bridges. They're susceptible. If you're careless, you get on those rides, on those roads, you're going to be susceptible to a lot of crashes, so you've got to be careful. Meanwhile, at the airport, we've got plenty of delays there, thousands, in fact, nationwide. People have got to be patient. It's the holiday season still. A lot of folks traveling with families. My heart goes out to those people traveling with all the kids. Certainly tough times, trying to stay patient. But again, we're going to see these problems probably really increase as we see the system move its way into the Great Lakes, into the Ohio Valley, and eventually up into the Northeast. All right, with that delay, let's send it back to you in the studio.
All right, a lot of terrain left then to certainly impact, that's for sure.
Yeah, and if you're traveling home after Christmas, some dangerous driving conditions expected today.
Yeah, we're going to show you where you need to be on alert, of course, where the highways are closed, where they have since reopened, and also the biggest delays we've seen at the airports. Right over 2,000 delays thus far. Chicago, really the heart of the country, the heart of the problem.
Yeah, they've seen over 400 cancellations at O'Hare alone, and you can see a little of everything there. We've got some sleet on the ground that has accumulated, some freezing rain, and we're going to continue some problems there, and some severe thunderstorms still down in the south moving across Florida. A little of everything with Goliath.
Currently in our area, 49 degrees under cloudy skies with windy conditions. This afternoon, overcast skies and windy. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 51. Tonight, windy with periods of rain. Thunder possible. Low 40. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday, light rain in the morning. High 61. Chance of rain 70%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Many sleep aids have pain medicine, but ZzzQuil is different. Because why would you take a pain medicine when all you want is good sleep?